Take control of your adventures like never before with RedVision. Thanks to a variety of RedVision-enabled power, distribution and monitoring products, you can design a unique vehicle management system that suits you. Let's run through the features and differences between REDARC's TVMS distribution boxes. The central hub for all your devices. RedVision is your ultimate companion for off-grid adventures. Seamlessly control and monitor onboard accessories like lights, fridges, TVs, water tanks and batteries, all from your fingertips. Building a RedVision system is easy. Once you've selected your charger and monitoring solution, you'll need to pick a TVMS distribution box. This will provide you with full control over your accessories, plus tank level and temperature monitoring. But which TVMS is right for you? First, let's touch on size. At just 25mm thick and featuring inbuilt smart fuses, the TVMS Rogue is designed for use where space is limited. Perfect for compact campers, four-wheel drives and fleet vehicles, the Rogue's small footprint means it can be hidden out of sight and out of mind, saving more room for what's important. The TVMS Prime, on the other hand, is designed for larger power demands. As a result, the Prime is a little bigger at over double the thickness of its counterpart and is best installed in an accessible area within a build. Outputs allow you to control your onboard devices such as your lights, fridge, speakers and more. The TVMS Rogue has 10 10A outputs for low to medium powered devices such as lights, USBs, pumps and communications gear. However, if you're looking to control both low and high power devices without the need for additional relays, the Prime is your answer. Featuring 5 10A inputs, 5 30A inputs and a max current of 80 amps, Prime is perfect for running larger fridges, air compressors and diesel heaters. It also features a dedicated inverter output, so you can use all of the 10 outputs for your 12-volt devices. Let's compare the inputs and sensors. A monitoring powerhouse, the Prime features 8 tank sensor inputs, 2 temperature sensor inputs and a voltage sensor input, so you'll have total visibility of your entire rig. The Prime also includes 2 3-meter temperature sensors as standard, while the TVMS Rogue has just 2 analog tank level inputs. These inputs offer far more accurate and granular measurements. Rogue also offers 8 switch inputs for dimmable and physical switching, meaning lights can be programmed to dim to a preset level. Both the TVMS Prime and TVMS Rogue have inbuilt fusing. The TVMS Prime features an easily accessible fuse panel, utilising internal lights to showcase blown blade fuses. The unit also features physical backup switches to keep you in control even if automatic switching is disrupted. This means, however, that the Prime needs to be installed somewhere accessible. The TVMS Rogue, on the other hand, utilises all digital fusing, meaning you don't have to access the unit to replace physical fuses. This allows you to install the unit somewhere convenient, as resetting fuses is easily done on the display. Both units require a RedVision display for control and monitoring of your system. Whether using 1 or 2 displays or the RedVision app on your phone, you can easily track battery status, temperatures and tank levels. Both units also allow for customisation and automation. You can program a button that turns off all your accessories except a fridge, groups lighting circuits to a single button press, or even program systems to automatically turn off certain loads when power gets low. Ultimately, choosing a TVMS distribution box comes down to your specific needs. If you're limited on space, you're after dimming and physical switch inputs, smart fuses and analog sensor inputs, TVMS Rogue is your best bet. However, if you have a more complex system with larger power demands that requires a higher current capacity and more tank level and temperature sensors, the TVMS Prime has you covered. For the ultimate setup, pair 2 Rogues for double the number of channels, or combine both for the power of the Prime and the smarts of the Rogue. Both units work with REDARC's range of chargers, whether that's a Manager, a BCDC Alpha or a smart battery monitor paired with a BCDC Core or Classic. Whether you're heading on an adventure or to the work site, REDARC has the right RedVision system to keep your trip powered and ready for anything. For more information on RedVision TVMS systems and for more Help Centre content, visit redarcelectronics.com.